Hello everyone, very nice to meet all of you here in this video. So in today's video I'm gonna bring you to one of the very remote village, which is ET, and it's very far away from here. Okay, so in front of us is the waterfall, and so now we're gonna take the bamboo boat in front of us to go inside. So I'm sure it's like a shower inside, but it's totally fine. So now I need to find a way in. Ooh, it is extremely cold. It's very cold in here. Yes, very easy, as you see. Okay, so now on the boat. Okay. It is very beautiful. Okay. Yeah, so we started from 9 a.m. this morning, and now we are here at the Dragon Waterfall. Okay, this no longer belongs to Sapa. This belongs to another province. This one is Whatssapp. Okay, the name of this place, yeah, it's ET. Wow. Okay, but I feel like we're oh my gosh, gotta go. Very adventurous. Okay, so I reckon that if we don't go inside the canyon, we can experience the beauty of it. We wanted to go, but the bamboo boat is been locked. We can't go. We can't take this one inside. I'm not sure, maybe we need to ask some local people up there. Yeah, so the ticket that we bought doesn't include this one. Okay, so I'm gonna experience inside. Okay, I know it's just like a shower, but you know, just follow me. Just safe. Đấy, bắt đầu đi đi. Đi đi. Okay, look at the waterfall. It's beautiful, it's so wild. Yeah! Yeah, now just like the rain, like a very shower rain. Very heavy. the rock. So it's gotta slow down, otherwise it's gonna be down in the river. Okay. Yes, here we go.
Có lên trên hòn đảo thôi.
Đó, lên một tí
Còn
nữa.
lên thì để cho anh về vạch nó đã thì không lên được.
Ok.
Xuống đi. Nặng quá, nặng vào đầu quá. Đây mình đi cái kia thì đến mới.
Ok.
Đã lên trên thang đấy. Đúng rồi. Yeah. Xuống lên trên này đi.
Yeah. Actually, I wanted to bring you more inside, but have a look at that. It is very dangerous, so I think this is the limit. So we gotta go back. Okay, so now we gotta go back. Yeah, unfortunately.
Cảm giác mạnh đấy. Nó có cảm giác mạnh.
Now, after the boat trip, we gotta pay for the boat owner. So he's there. Okay. Chú ơi, cháu ghi tiền này.
Tên là gì
Cháu
đấy?
á? Cháu tên là Ngà.
Ngà.
Cháu chào á. Okay, so gotta pay for him 20,000 each. Yeah. Okay, so I reckon he's the one who made the boat, bamboo boat like that, which is very simple, but it's very fun. So if you're going here for traveling, so that one can be, yeah, quite good. It's a good experience. Yeah, but very scary. So now we have to say goodbye to the waterfall and we continue our trip, because our final destination for today, it is Iti village, and we're about a few hours away from that one. Yeah. Okay. Even it's beautiful, we all want to stay longer, but unfortunately. Okay, it's beautiful. Unfortunately, the lift